Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a website on Vercel. If you've been working on a project and want to get it live on the web quickly and efficiently, Vercel makes the entire deployment process incredibly straightforward. Let's walk through exactly how to do this step by step. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to vercel.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Simply enter your email and password to access your Vercel dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your deployments and projects, so make sure you're logged into the correct account. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll find a button labeled Add New. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Project. This action initiates the process of creating a new deployment, which is exactly what we need to get your website live on the internet. Now here's an important point to understand. Before you can proceed with deploying your website, your Vercel account must be connected to your code repository. This connection is essential because it allows Vercel to access your website files and deploy them properly. Make sure this integration is set up, whether it's with GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Once your account is properly connected, look over to the left panel of your screen. You'll see a drop-down menu that displays your connected repositories. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the websites and projects available for deployment. Browse through the list and select the specific website you want to deploy. After making your selection, click the Import button to bring that project into Vercel's deployment workflow. At this stage, you have the option to customize your project name if you'd like. Vercel will automatically suggest a name based on your repository, but feel free to change it to something more descriptive or memorable. This name will appear in your project URL, so choose something that makes sense for your website. When you're satisfied with your project settings, it's time to make it live. Click the Deploy button to proceed with the deployment process. This initiates Vercel's build system, which will compile your website and prepare it for hosting. You'll need to wait for a few seconds while Vercel works its magic. During this time, you might see various build logs and status updates showing the progress of your deployment. Once the deployment is complete, you'll be presented with a success screen. From here, click Continue to Dashboard to view your newly deployed website. This will take you to your project dashboard where you can see your live URL, monitor analytics, and manage future deployments. And that's it. Your website is now live and accessible to anyone on the internet through Vercel's hosting platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.